Hello everyone. I was rushing out of the house that day because I was pretty late and one of my friends was already there. I was showing you what I had for breakfast. That was my breakfast. Yeah, I was here trying to find a good book for one of our friends and we did find.
Who is this going to? One, your journal diary, your what we call it, digital diary.
And it's not even that.
What is it?
Once we go home, I want to tell you something important.
So you should just get it over with.
Also, I got this. Over also now. It's good. I like it. I'm obsessed with it.
I like the premium one. Have you tried the premium one?
I am back home. I
I don't want to do this on cam.
I
What
have
is it?
someone. This is Tanisha.
I'm scared now.
Okay, so you know how did I did the same thing to Irene yesterday.
So, okay.
Open. I don't
You don't know
remember
my
your password. Now, I'm going to do
You
the
want
same thing
digital
with
advice,
her.
granny?
She calls me a granny because I am a bit with whatever. It doesn't matter.
What are you
I just
doing?
washed my hair, so it's इसके लिए ऐसा. I'm still trying to
Looks
try
good.
them.
What is it?
I found it.
What?
I found it. Now I just want to get. Okay, Reggie.
No. I'm scared, babe.
Okay, you have to go थोड़ा ऊपर. Okay, ऐसा scroll up. Do it. Scroll up. अरे up no. हाँ.
Oh my god! Wow!
You watch.
Oh my god!
Tell me how was it?
Is this also going to go on your vlog?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's very nice. I even like the name. It's so cute. Life unplotted. I like it.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me read the reference to that.
What was your favorite?
Felt like an actual, iPhone पे those texture. It looked exactly like that. I want something here, right?
Okay, I
Will
will
you
put
make that happen?
Yeah.
You genius.
Yeah.
Those are so cute. And also the cat. Also,
Did you
the-
like the where it's like 11 H's?
exactly those cute little things. They felt really like.
And I like the also the sound that comes.
Yeah, and they felt really on brand for like your whole vibe and stuff like that. Like your life is a mess, but at least here's the time you can just look at it, and it's like I have seen big YouTubers pay that, so it is really nice.
Good.
That's it. It's
Yes.
amazing.
Now you have to study. I'm teaching of French. I'm teaching of French.
Let's not vlog. That will be torturous for me.
Yeah. So you have to study. Open the books now. Bas ho gaya. Also, I have a fun day planned. Yesterday was very boring, as you all will.
As her
And-
life is when we are not in it.
Okay. So now we are going to celebrate a birthday of my friend Irene. She
Yeah.
doesn't know what we are doing.
The thing is, the stuff that we have bought, we don't know shit about Harry Potter.
Yeah. So she loves Harry Potter. So this time,
And is this 934 the thing in Harry Potter series?
yeah.
Because every banner I thought, and I was like, she's turning 90 in there. Should we make like the like this?
No, don't do that. We are gonna do it. Don't do it.
What is 934?
I don't. We'll ask her.
I don't know anything about Harry
So
Potter.
she is obsessed. So what we every time there's a birthday in between
This
the
is
three
so
of
cute. I
us.
opened this up and it looks so realistic.
So now like we have a theme that we keep for everyone's birthday. For Tarisha's birthday, it was Mamma Mia and Sabrina Carpenter. She is obsessed with them.
I love that.
And now it's Irene's turn. Irene's turn was like 21. 21st
She's
birthday.
20.
No.
For a second, I was like, how?
Sorry, I
much
got
old are my
that message
friends?
popped up. Sorry, yeah. So, Yeah, so now I will show you what we are doing for her birthday and what gifts we bought after some time once we start decorating and stuff. But yeah, now I'm going to hop on in the meeting I have. But yeah. So now I'm going to go and get Irene's gift all packed. But I wanted to show you all what I'm giving her because it's um everything is mostly Harry Potter themed. I will vlog when we are discussing, when not discussing, sorry. I've been teaching French for like quite a some time today. So it's yeah. But while we are decorating my room, we give it back to her after decoration and stuff, but I will show it to you all. Wait. So don't mind that noise. I know it gets annoying. I find it personally, I find it quite annoying, but let's see if you all won't be able to see me. It is very annoying. Sorry. So it is getting into my head. Give me a minute. I think this is bit better. Yeah. Okay.
I got in one.
These are balloons that we're gonna blow.
What else do you do with balloons? Blow balloons?
You can't say.
Why? It's like you're asking me to not be myself.
You wanna sit?
Obviously. She's a rude person. If you meet her offline ever in
Do
your
not.
life, you'll understand what a bad person she is. But just move. I won't be in the frame.
But if I move, I won't.
It's better that way, isn't it?
Yeah. So she was joking, okay? Tabhi. Yeah, of course. Okay. So these are like as a little stuff.
I don't know what these things are.
We'll have to open while we decorate. Don't open it now.
No, but it's just. I opened it in my house, and then it was just color wala
So
stuff.
we don't know anything about Harry Potter.
Zero knowledge.
So I think
whatsoever.
we don't know what this is, but I think Irene will understand what this is.
I
I'm
mean,
not
we'll
like-
just decorate and just keep it for her to understand.
This
This one looks nice. It's like, it has a
The
water.
quality is good.
Yeah. It has a water painted look, which I really like.
Yeah. So this is the quality is like they're cardboard. They're not like plastic or paper. Like good quality. This is it. Say what does it say? Happy birthday.
No, Harry Potter.
Really?
No. Obviously, it will say happy.
No, I don't know.
Do
It
you
is
think it says Harry Potter like
because some people just like it that way. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
they
So
are
this
they're
is like,
weird people.
this is
It's a
etched
banner.
in a
Happy birthday, I like.
yeah in a Harry Potter
And it's
thing.
that Harry Potter wala text. No?
Yeah. This is something we got her. We can put it on a cake.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we need like a plain cake.
Now,
And
oh,
good
we
for
need
us. She
to-
likes plain cakes.
Order the cake.
Yeah.
We'll order it at like 5 o'clock, so it comes by 5:36. Also, this is not Harry Potter theme per se.
But this is Irene Kabudo theme.
We are planning on
Hey, the main
Yeah,
Harry
yes,
Potter gift
yes.
you didn't show.
Last
We'll keep it
time.
at last.
Yes. So this is we bought her this one book.
This is not on theme at all, but it said somewhere ghosts and it said Jewish, and I was like, that's Irene.
And
It's the winner of the National Jewish Book. So maybe even her parents will like this.
okay. And this is the family upstairs. It is about
Really nice. Creepy shit, to be
yeah.
honest.
So this is what we are giving her. Also, the main
So
gift that we know she's going to love. Love in the sense. You know how Lenskart had this
It has other here too, like for people with lenses, like
really?
Yeah, it has a duck wala here, and I can't wait to have lenses for that.
Harry Potter themed
Box.
and the quality is like amazing.
It says something here.
I read it to you.
It's so nice.
Yeah, they will see. Okay. And they have these 4 houses ka stamp here. That go. And this is her main case. But you know what I like the most is this. How shiny is it? But yeah, now we're going to get everything wrapped up. You don't open it. It's for your...
Has Harry Potter. What? Why can't you open it?
Because it's for your specs. Cleaning. Yeah.
Maybe she clean her specs with this. Does she even wear her specs that
Yeah,
much?
no, she has started. She doesn't like her specs, but I think this might help her.
At least she'll carry them around.
So this is what this is for. Okay? Huh. Now we're gonna go get this packed. I will come home quickly. Sit for a meeting. This girl, I've given her a lot of stuff to write and learn. So, and then we celebrate Irene's birthday. So let's go. Fun day today. Okay. So the last time I vlogged was
Can't even show my
the last
I need
time.
food so I can,
Yeah. The last time I vlogged was when I was out, I think, down. I
we
don't
were
remember.
gifting.
Yeah, the gifts. We have done
Oh,
everything.
the wrapping job, we didn't show them.
No, because we were in a rush. I had a meeting at
Someone
4.
had a meeting and someone was roaming around.
Hey, it was a fun ride, okay?
5 minutes to that specific meeting.
So there was a lot of rushing happening, so I couldn't really vlog, and I've tied my hair because whenever I'm like on the scooter, she eats my hair.
Do I eat your hair or do you feed me your hair?
How will I feed it to you?
Because you leave it open when you know it will go back and I'm sitting back.
So this is
And
why.
I
And
put on lip
now,
gloss on and you think I'm a hair eater of all things in the universe. Her hair to dyed hai. So I'm eating chemicals.
so yeah, now we are planning on getting Irene a cake and some flowers. Then we rush back home and start decorating my room, and we'll just follow by 7:30. Yes, where is my father?
Quick.
Yes, okay. Don't mind my hair. I've still kept it tied because I was working on Irene's surprise and I'm so tired, but it's finally done. So she likes Harry Potter. So we have
If she didn't at this point, it would be like a flop.
so her whole theme, the decoration, revolves around Harry Potter. So the one I put happy birthday, and I like how they have these little as a thunder and the tie. It's really like,
Not that we get it, but it's really cute.
yeah. That, and then we have kept all of her gifts here. It's because she loves stars and moons, so that's why we have that theme. These are the balloons. I feel the best part, and the quality is so nice on it. But this, so we have kept it as hanging, so that don't mind the tasty. But yeah, we have these houses.
You should put your affiliate link there. Link in bio, guys.
Link in bio, Harry Potter. I could do that. I should do that.
Do it.
This is Potter a red velvet cake and some flowers. Now I am going to put my jewelry on and get a bit ready. Not ready, but presentable before she comes. So yeah, I'm going to record a reaction as well. So someone is here. You will have to close your eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Like close it, huh? You're
Yes, close.
and walk.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Do you think she's not walking?
Close the door, Pele. You don't open your eyes.
Okay. I'm so scared.
Open.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so cute! Do you get what it is? I love it!
She hasn't seen the main thing.
It's Harry Potter! No way! No way! This is so cute! My god, it has a stick and stuff. Shut up. No, shut up. It has a stick. It has the owl. Oh my
Did you
god.
not see this?
Stuff.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god.
It's the whole thing.
Oh, that animal is so cute. Oh my god, I love it.
Take him home and
No, it's yours only. I'm gonna take it home.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not gonna keep it.
Wow, that's so cute.
This
I love
is-
it. Oh my god, that's so.
They're very rooted and so nice.
Shit, god, what the shit.
What's this? What's
Yeah, please tell us
nine
what
point
the
four?
fourth is.
That is the station number.
she calling?
Okay.
Hello.
Station को
I
क्यों जाते हैं?
finally realized it is the station.
I don't know,
number.
I didn't wear it.
What Irene is wearing.
It's backless, I need to show it off.
That
Yeah, she needs to show it off. Now everything is done.
It was so successful.
Now I'm tired.
so tired.
I love them.
Do
I
you?
literally love them.
That's a little less, you know. At this point, you should say you do something more for us.
Can we go idhar se? Why are we
Yeah,
going
yeah.
from outside? So yeah, now everything is done. I have work after this as well. She's done with me because I've been teaching and shouting at her.
Crazy. I now you don't understand. I have now to now go home. My home is not right here.
Yeah.
It is right here. Shut up. I'm not going to say that.
Now she's gonna flip her hair every time her hair goes back.
This Christmas decoration is so nice.
But yeah, now we're gonna have something to eat. That's it.
Bye-bye.
Impulse decision. I'm getting my yost pierced one. This one is already, in Gurriel, but now I'm getting it here.
Okay, we are here. We are piercing Harshita's left ear. Yeah. Say hi. Yeah, better. My god.
Oh. Ouch. I am back home now. It's 10:30 p.m. and I'm ready to go to bed. I am so tired. I have a long day tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog of mine. And yes, show some love. Bye.